Alright YouTube, wanted to make a video show you how to do a lock and collar on a drill bit stop. You need an Allen wrench and wooden inserts. I'm going to show you how to install them. You can buy a special tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but it tends to break them out. I'm going to put in the bag for a customer a green screw, which is shorter than the rest of them, and you'll just tighten it in each one of them, and you'll see here. But for the lock and collar, you want an Allen wrench. I like to get my depth set. You want to set it up on the outside here. Get this set screw here. You want to tighten it down good and snug. That's it. And you can take extra precautions to make sure if you're doing a bunch of drilling, put you a piece of tape. That way, you know your drill bit stop hasn't moved. Because if it moves and you go down through the rest of them, you can have a mess. If it was a tabletop. Alright, let's just say hypothetically this is your leg. You're gonna mark your legs. Mark center where your legs will be. Just gonna put a little nail. It's gonna act like a little punch. Make a little divot. Then you're gonna take, drill it till that stop hits. That's all you gotta do. Back it out. Now put the flathead side up. Put your bolt in. If you need to, you can do like a little set like that. Make sure your wrench is going right. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. See, it's going. Make sure you stay straight. Make sure it's straight. Get it down flush. Back that screw out with the green one. Now it's done. Move on to the next one. Have a blessed day.